Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here talking about oven placement for the holidays. You know, getting your racks in order, getting as much maximum space for cooking, all right? Let's open the oven door. Talk about what we're talking about here. So we got the traditional Thanksgiving turkey and roast with potatoes right here. We put it on the very bottom rack, and that is key. High roasting pan needs that heat, needs all that convection. And then look above it. We have that space and clearance. So, you know, now we can put another rack here, two down. Then we have the excess room for the broiler, so we can add other things on here. We're using the regular bake feature or the convection bake feature. So let's talk about what we can add. We have a dozen biscuits, put it in here, and here's key. Make sure this fits before we turn the oven on so it's nice and cool so you're not burning yourself. Here's your standard 13x9 casserole. This is a green bean casserole, but this could be, you know, mashed potatoes. This could be lasagna, stuffed shells, things like that. Here's a quick feature and a key too. We have the solid rack down here and we have the glide rack up here. So now that we can slide this out and really get to this. I like cooking this all right now. So you know this is going to take 45 minutes. You know this is going to take 12 minutes. Let's cook these now. Let's hold them hot. Then in 45 minutes or 12 minutes, you could take this out, add another casserole, add another roll, add a different thing. So now in the 2 hours or 4 hours that it takes to cook this turkey, you could flip this oven, this top rack 3 or 4 times. So essentially maybe 6 items in here that you could cook in one oven. 6-8 items in one oven, that, you know, that's your whole holiday right there. So think about that. Now you don't have to run to the neighbors or run to do anything else. This is key and done for the holidays.